Now everyone can see carton for baby stroller bike MYC01. Please open the carton. You can see the standard baby stroller bike accessories including one set of each frame and baby seater, one set of umbrella, storage bag, one set of arm set, one set of footrest, one set of back frame, one set of each left-right handlebar, one set of front frame, one set of each left-right wheels, one set of pedal, one piece of ball connection pole, one piece of tool bag, including 6mm wrist, spring, 4-piece of bowl for front wheel, manual instruction, 13 PCS accessories in total as mentioned above. Additional, you still need this tool when you assemble the bike stroller. They are screw lever, 5mm spanner, 8 to 10mm, 12 to 14mm, 13 to 15mm spanner, tape measure, chalk used for mark. Step 1. Screw off the screw from front left and right wheel. Leave the upper furnace and take out one piece of bowl setting on front wheel in the tool bag. Please note the bowl side should be at upside. And please put on the bottom frame which on the front wheel fork. Step 2. Pick out the front frame. Put the angle fixer bottom side. Then pick up the left front wheel. Put form into the front frame pole. Please note, please put the angle fix pole inside the angle fixer. Then pick up one piece of front wheel bowl. Please note the bowl side should be the bottom side. And put into the front frame pole and pick upper frame into it. Screw tight until it can be shake and can move fixable, and tighten it by the knot. Step 3. Next step. Fix the right front wheel at step 2. Step 4. Pick up the bowl connection pole. Use the 6mm and 13mm spanner. Screw out the nut and gasket. Fix it on the angle position. Step 5. Use the 6mm spanner and screw out the 4 nuts. In connection with back frame, fix these 2 parts. Now we connect the front and back frame. Step 6. Next, let's adjust the front beam. Use the chalk to make mark on the middle line of the 2 front wheel. Turn the wheel to front until the distance from mark to ground and the distance from center of the wheel to ground is the same. Measure the center distance of the 2 front wheel and record it as A. And then turn back the wheel until the distance from mark to ground and the distance from center of the wheel to ground is the same. Measure the center distance of the 2 front wheel and record it as B. Then adjust the bowl connection pole. Make the distance A bigger than B, about 0 to 2 mm. Step 7. Fix the left handlebar on the front fork. The one which with one brake line should be a left handlebar. Then tighten the quick release. When you fix the brake line, must go throughout the inner side. Get through the bigger line hole, then the smaller one. Then fix the brake line. Take out the spring from the tool bag and put the brake line to the hole. Compress the spring and tighten it. Please note, the brake line, which is longer, must put on this part as shown, because the line would be getting easily broken when transaction. Step 8. Fix the right handlebar. Fix the shorter brake line. Then put the brake and the line to the small hole. Use your finger pull-up and use the 10mm spanner tighten it. When you fix the longer brake line, still same, go through the front fork inner side. Go through the bigger line pole and then fix in the small pole and tighten it. Step 9. Use the 15mm spanner and fix the left and right pedal. Step 10. Next, let's fix the baby stroller. First, fix the footrest. Use the screwdriver. Take out the 4 nuts. Connect the footrest with the bottom gap. Fix it and screw tight it and stick it. Then take the seat frame into the bike frame, which have the quick release. Tighten it. Last, fix the armrest. And connect the umbrella with that hole on the pole. Step 11. Assemble the shortage bag. Fix the 4 hooks. Step 12. Next, please pull up the saddle. Tighten the quick release. Now the whole bike assemble is done. Here, now we're talking about the step of transaction. Step 1. Tighten the right brake. Meanwhile, lock it and stop the bike. Step 2. Release the baby seat fixer and take off the seat. Step 3. Release the saddle. Put it down to the bottom. Step 4. Release the fender. Step 5. Release the roller, which has ray tool on it. Turn about 4 rounds, shake the bike slightly, and pull up the bottom, and take the fender to front and lock these 2 parts. Then fix the baby seat. Release the brake and the transition is done. Besides, in the stroller situation, it can't go back. You should leave the front wheel from ground when you need to change the direction. Also, we have optional accessories as below: rain cover, mosquito net, car seat, back baby seat, but they are not included in the standard package. Should buy extrally, then fix the back baby seat. First, take off the front baby seat. Fix the back baby seat to the 4 quick release fitted just now. and tied it. Then fix the front baby seat. Then put the rain cover and mosquito net on it. Put the car seat to the middle to quick release and put it to front and tight the quick release. Press the red button to adjust the handlebar to your direction. Then cover the outer coat.